Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Apologies, once again I'm doing audio podcast because I'm like my camera setup is not there. So tomorrow morning I will start video as usual. Coming back to the market, so today's market is quite a disappointing market. The markets are nervous ahead of TCS results. TCS moved about 50 points up and down. But at the end of the day, TCS closed somewhere at the highest point of the day. But all other IT stocks, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, HCL Technology, Wipro, all the IT stocks were down. Not only IT stocks, the entire market came under some kind of a profit booking. So one uncertainty, the Trump tariff, that uncertainty still continues. So there's here and there, so many news are coming, some mini deal 10%, maxi deal 20% and this and that, but so far nothing has happened concrete. So that is on one side. And other side, the corporate results. So the results have come already. The results are not really very good. But anyway, as I told you, nobody is expecting any big result from TCS. So therefore, the markets might not fall big tomorrow. But anyway, we have to wait and see. So we have to see how other IT stocks are also performing. But today, incidentally, Nifty closed at the lowest level of the last 2 weeks closing on a closing basis, not the intraday. Even intraday also, I think it was very, very close to a 10 days low, that is 2 weeks low. So July series, out of 5 weeks, so 2 weeks are over, and then markets close at the lowest closing level. So that is not really very good, but European markets were higher, so despite that we came under selling pressure, and US futures are also like almost flat only. So we need to see where the market will be opening tomorrow. FII data, I'm sure it might not have come by this time, so I didn't check also. So overall, the market will be focusing on IT stocks and banking stocks starting from tomorrow. So that's because next week, a lot of IT companies and banking companies will be declaring their results. So let us see where the market goes. And today, expiry day, so it was not a very big move, but still there was some volatility today. So since the weekly expiry is over, there is no need to look at the build-up of open positions. So that we will see tomorrow. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.